The Magic School Bus Adventure. Journey Through Time. Chapter 1. The Magical Morning. One sunny morning, Mrs. Wonders, the most imaginative teacher at Sunshine Elementary, had a special announcement. "Class, today we're going on a magical school trip," she exclaimed. The students, buzzing with excitement, hurried outside to find a bright yellow bus with shimmering windows and rainbow wheels. Chapter 2. The Magic Bus. As they boarded, Mrs. Wonders handed each child a sparkling, star-shaped sticker. "Place these on your shirts, and prepare for an adventure," she said. The moment they did, the bus began to change. It shrank, then grew, and suddenly, with a whoosh, it lifted into the sky. Chapter 3. Dinosaur Discovery. The bus's first stop was the age of the dinosaurs. The children peered out to see enormous creatures roaming vast, green landscapes. "Look, a triceratops," shouted Sam, pointing excitedly. Mrs. Wonders explained how dinosaurs lived millions of years ago, long before humans. Chapter 4. Under the Sea. Next, the bus dove into the ocean's depths. Surrounded by colorful coral reefs, the children watched dolphins dance and jellyfish float. "We are exploring the underwater world, where countless creatures live," Mrs. Wonders narrated. The kids learned about marine life and the importance of keeping oceans clean. Chapter 5. A Trip to the Moon. With a sparkle, the bus shot up into space, landing softly on the moon. The children bounced around in low gravity, giggling. "This is where humans first walked on the moon," Mrs. Wonders explained. They looked back at Earth, a beautiful blue marble in the vastness of space. Chapter 6. The Medieval Castle. The next stop was a grand medieval castle. Knights in shining armor roamed the grounds, and the kids marveled at the ancient architecture. Mrs. Wonders spoke about life in medieval times, the history of castles, and the stories of knights and their quests. Chapter 7. The Future City. Zooming forward in time, the bus arrived in a futuristic city with flying cars and towering skyscrapers. "This is a glimpse of what the future might hold," Mrs. Wonders said. The children learned about technology, innovation, and the importance of imagination. Chapter 8. Homeward Bound. As the sun began to set, the magic bus returned to their school. The children stepped out, their minds full of wonder and new knowledge. Mrs. Wonders smiled. "Remember, every day is an adventure when you open your mind to learning." Chapter 9. The End of a Magical Day. Back in the classroom, the children couldn't stop talking about their incredible journey. They drew pictures, wrote stories, and shared their favorite moments. Mrs. Wonders knew that this magical trip had ignited a lifelong love for learning in their hearts. The end. And so, the Magic School Bus Adventure came to an end, but the memories and lessons learned would stay with the children forever. They realized that with curiosity, imagination, and a bit of magic, the world was full of endless possibilities.